We budget so we can know where our money goes, so that we can achieve the results we want. Budgeting is not an option. If you're in any business or working for any company, guess what? They all have budgets. There is no organization that runs without a budget. The question is, how are you running your organization, your corporation? How are you running it? We shall name it your corporation. How are you running it? Because all organizations anywhere in the world, they operate on a budget because it works. So take the mentality of the big company and boil it down to you and operate yourself as a little company with a budget and where things are working systematically and growing where you need them to grow.